Welcome back to Auto's Car, where we bring you closer to the most unique and rare classic machines that made history. Today we are talking about a very special muscle car that stands out not just for its power but for its style, the 1972-73 AMC Pierre Cardin Javelin. This car was the result of a partnership between American Motors Corporation and world-famous French fashion designer Pierre Cardin, who brought his own sense of bold style into the muscle car world at a time when automakers were experimenting with design and identity. The AMC Javelin was already known as a true competitor to the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro and Dodge Challenger, but AMC wanted something that would make their pony car stand out in a crowded market, so they brought in Pierre Cardin to create a limited edition interior package that turned the Javelin into a rolling piece of art. The result was a car that still stops people in their tracks today with its unique and daring appearance inside. When you step inside the Pierre Cardin Javelin, the first thing you notice is the interior. Unlike anything else offered in the early 70s, it features multicolor stripes running across the seats, door panels and headliner with shades of orange, purple, silver and black that wrap around you, giving the car a fashion-forward look. This was no ordinary muscle car interior. This was a statement piece, and it showed that AMC was willing to take risks and offer something no one else had. Under the hood, the Pierre Cardin Javelin was still a serious muscle car. Buyers could choose from AMC's lineup of engines, including the powerful 360,401 and 304 version 8S, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, which meant you got style and performance in one package. The Javelin handled well for its size thanks to its long wheelbase and wide stance, and it had the looks to match its performance. The bulging fender flares, the aggressive front grille and that sweeping fastback roofline made it one of the best-looking cars of its era. What makes the 1972-73 AMC Pierre Cardin Javelin even more interesting is its rarity. Fewer than 5,000 cars were made with the Pierre Cardin package, making it a collectible today. Finding one in good condition with its original interior intact is a dream for muscle car enthusiasts and collectors. It is one of those cars that represents a unique moment when the worlds of fashion and performance collided in the most American way possible. Driving a Pierre Cardin Javelin today is like stepping back in time. You feel the rumble of the V8, the bold interior surrounds you, and you can't help but smile as people point and stare. This car is not just about going fast, it is about being seen. It is about standing out in a world where most cars look the same. AMC dared to be different, and they succeeded. Here on Auto's Car, we love showcasing these rare classics, and the Pierre Cardin Javelin is one of the most stylish muscle cars ever built. If you ever get the chance to see one up close, take a look inside and appreciate the details, because this is more than just a car, it is a piece of art on wheels that deserves to be remembered.